Hold up.
of it, and you guys have actually discussed the social dilemma. So you have, guys have
Hmm.
already discussed
Oh,
how
huh.
the social media giants, and even that is a short documentary I'd like mm, recommend to everyone. Like
Hmm.
you can
How
just
it
go
submit.
download it. You just go and download it and watch it. Take your friends Netflix and just watch it for like rather than watching some weird shit on Netflix. Just watch it once and then you'll get an idea of why is it so
We are talking
important.
about.
In the first 20 minutes,
Huh.
it is
What are
just
you
hooks you on.
facing?
Yeah. And it is not even like a boring. The first 20 minutes hooks you on for the next rest of the 60 minutes of the what you can say
Definitely, definitely.
document.
So well
Documentary.
made. It's so well. That's the
It's
thing.
very well made.
Netflix takes. I mean, I don't know if they do it purely for profit or for reason. They'll take an issue which is actually happening and they'll put it in such a
Ah,
cinematic form that everybody
yeah.
wants to watch it. It happened with the Great Hack also, right? Great Hack dekha hai, supposed to
Yes,
from it.
yes, yes.
Nope.
The Great Hack is about you
Uh,
haven't watched it. It's about how they rigged US elections. Are you
Oh
fucking kidding me?
shit. I think you recommended it to me
I have watched
sometime.
like everything. I have
मैं
watched even
कितनी
the
बार
how
recommend.
Snowden, the movie Snowden. I forgot the name. Is it the
Hmm.
name
हाँ,
Snowden only?
Snowden का movie is
Ah,
also nice. I don't know if Netflix produced it. तभी Netflix
no,
था कि नहीं
Netflix
पता
didn't
नहीं.
produce it, but
नहीं नहीं था
Netflix
आपका. हाँ.
actually like kind of bought the
Bought
license
it.
to stream it
Oh, nice.
because
And और एक था OpenAI का there is this AlphaGo करके AI which okay see I'm just gonna put it एकदम light. Sorry, मेरा आवाज चेंज हो गया शायद. तो what I'm gonna हाँ so Go करके game है and you can't teach a computer Go because there are more possibilities in Go than there are atoms in universe.
What
वो
the
गेम
heck?
का इतना possibilities है कि यूनिवर्स में इतना atoms नहीं है.
what is
What
the
the heck?
game? Can you just put in show?
चेकर्स देखा है ना. गो
हाँ,
काइंड ऑफ वैसा ही है बट गो वर्क्स
Hmm.
ऑन द कांसेप्ट ऑफ इंटुइशन ह्यूमंस को आता है कि
What the
AI
heck?
can do.
इफ यू आस्क अ प्रोफेशनल ग्रो प्लेयर ना कि ये मूव क्यों किया समटाइम्स देयर आंसर इज इट जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक इट.
पता नहीं. My
तो
God. Wow.
if you can just google it so there are more possibilities in that game than there are atoms in the universe. So you can't put if then else statements इसमें कोई सॉफ्टवेयर में. And
Yes.
so they built an AI. They showed him different games as SIA, and it was the first time an AI beat a human being. So it's a Netflix documentary around it कि कैसे किया ये लोग ने and stuff. So it's really cool. You guys should really watch it.
Advait actually answered the question. So yeah, so the thing is about social dilemma. So see, it has shed light on how these social media giants manipulate your whole behavior, how they want
Hmm.
you to get hooked to the screen. And the one thing which
Yep.
actually scares me, like, is like you're not a customer, you are a product. They
Hmm.
want,
Hmm.
they
Yeah.
just, you are the test product, you are the lab rat for them. They're going to
Yeah,
keep
definitely.
testing things
हाँ
in you.
भाई.
So apart from this, so I'll just read the question because it's a good thing I have written it down. Huh. So now the part where the companies want you to get hooked onto a screen comes quite later. But according to me, the part where people have to be a human and not a bully over social media comes first. So a piece of advice on that surrounding that topic.
What do you mean, bully?
I generally bully as in कैसा?
Actually,
Just
bully
hating
in not
someone's content कि you are garbage, you look bad, ऐसा कुछ तो.
that yeah, but in a in more aggressive way, I feel much more aggressive way than
Okay.
See,
anyone else.
the most aggressive way I can come up with, I think threatening and ये सब वो तो है.
Ah,
Although people can't do anything about it unless just reporting it to the cops.
Hmm.
What I generally hate is people hating on someone's content publicly. That sucks the most to me because someone might have put a lot of effort in it. And what मेरा general bias is I don't give them feedback unless they explicitly ask for it. Like
Hmm.
I won't give it to them,
Hmm.
and
Right.
I won't fake my क्या बोलते हैं, compliments.
Opinion. Yeah.
That raises the price of my compliments कि अद्वैत ये बोल रहा है मतलब it's really good.
Right.
And it also avoids the awkward situation where I didn't ask you for feedback, I'm just doing it for fun, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता तेरे को ऐसा लगा. Like what if you give feedback to a person who doesn't want it, he's just doing it as a hobby, he doesn't want to get good at
Exactly.
it. It
Exactly.
avoids all
Exactly.
those situations and stuff. So I just follow that advice.
Also,
Yeah.
Advait raised the point of people criticizing other people's content online. Is that relevant to the question?
Yeah, sure. Yes, it is. It's about people
That is again-
behaving in the most cruel way possible.
How
Yeah. Is this?
internet पे you don't necessarily have to be human, right? You can be an
Yeah.
asshole and no one, I mean, you
You
can
can
be
be an
anonymous,
egg.
so you can do anything.
Yeah, that's the next question is related, but I think you can finish your point first.
My opinion on that's what I wanted to emphasize on. It's so freaking pointless. It's so low IQ of people to hate or negatively criticize anyone for creating any kind of content. I saw this trend that became common among Indian meme pages was they were attacking this one creator called Sakshi Shivdasani.
Yeah.
Just because she was creating cringe content, relatable content, उसकी आवाज annoying थी, उसको views आ रहे थे because she looked good or something, and I'm like, ये लोग अपने आप को dank meme pages बोलते हैं और फिर ऐसी immature हरकतें करते हैं, like criticizing someone negatively. अगर तुम positive criticism दे रहे हो, ठीक है, that's great, please do that, I support it, I do it myself, but relentlessly attacking someone for creating the kind of content that they make is the worst, is like one of the lowest things you can do on the internet. And ये लोग literally ये meme pages का ego इतना होता है, admin लोग का इतना ego रहता है, they call themselves very woke and very liberal and very dank, and then they do shit like this, and I'm like, F you guys, you don't deserve to call yourselves that. I believe I actually checked out Sakshi's content I think 2-3 days ago, and that's something that I would not consume, okay, because I don't like relatable content, just doesn't entertain me anymore, okay. It does other people, and I don't hate them for it. I don't hate people for creating relatable content. I don't hate Mostly Sane. I don't hate Rickshaw Wali. They do their own shit, but they're gonna essentially, ये लोग जो लोग हैं, they will pay for it later on. ये लोग को उनका फल मिल जाएगा. But my point is, Sakshi is actually very smart because I tweeted this out, she's creating her own type of content. उसका खुद का niche बना रही है. उसके जैसा videos कोई नहीं बना रहा है. There's going to be a point, not very late, it's going to come very soon, where a lot of girls are going to start making content like Sakshi, because it is short, it is to the point, it has a very high engagement rate, and if you look at her brand collaboration, okay,
Yes,
until
exactly.
the end, if she did an ad for, I think, some beauty product, obviously, because right now he's gonna get that only kind of brand. आगे जाके definitely he's gonna get diversified. But she did a ad for, I think, Lakme or some very good beauty product brand, and it was so smoothly interwoven into her content that I was like, holy shit, this girl is a genius. That was my reaction.
That you can hate her all you want, but she's actually doing more, and she's growing more than what you are doing.
Killing it. She's killing it. उसको घंटा फर्क पड़ा है तुम उसके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हो. उसको मालूम है वो जो कर रही है वो सही कर रही है. उसको पैसा, भारी वाला पैसा कमा रही है, क्योंकि उसकी वीडियोस पे एंगेजमेंट रेट इतना ज्यादा है.
Actually,
because they are small.
She has like huge growth in followers. Her reels which she uploads are, even though apart from, like, if there are 60% of people she hits, it doesn't matter to her, because she is actually growing more and more than what actually the haters are growing in their real life.
Exactly. Exactly. Oh my god, she's earning way more than these meme pages will ever.
I have talked about this only one person, and I don't know why people do this. So for the last 6 videos I uploaded, so the last 6 videos are spanned very long, because the last 3 podcasts came one week ago, and then there were like between a 4-month gap. So every time I would upload, there are like 2 people, I don't know who, because YouTube won't let you see that, who just come in, and even if it's a 2-hour long video, just come in, and YouTube gives you sometimes it gives you notification that there is a dislike on your video, and 1 minute later I just go on my YouTube page, and they're like, who just put on a dislike on a 2-hour long video? And I just go up to the point. Go up to the point. They're like, okay, अगर 1 minute देखो तो 1 minute पे जाके देखते हैं ना क्या है. And so, I think 1 minute is my intro, and that is not a bad intro per se. Okay.
Ouch. Bhai.
It's just some college person, I guess, who doesn't like you.
जो troll करता रहेगा वो.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, YouTube ranks videos with dislikes more than videos with no likes or dislikes. So
yeah, it likes how much engagement you're getting on a particular video. If you're getting more dislikes than likes, then also it is going to grow.
Dislike भी I think engagement में ही count होता है ना, वे like और dislike दोनों engagement में count होता है ना.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
If you're getting 10 dislikes,
so he is helping you मतलब.
So when I started out, it like affect me, but now it's like, okay, you're helping me. Thank you so much. It's about how you take it.
Yeah. So yeah.
Like internet पे I think वही है कि if you truly want someone to not grow, ignoring them is the best here. Because anything you do they can use it to grow. Yeah.
Exactly.
Now
all these meme. I did not know who Sakshi Shivdasani was. Oh, I'm sorry.
हाँ भैया अगर ये meme पे just चुप रहे तो नहीं पता होता.
Exactly. उसका like कैसे बेवकूफ ऐसे दिमाग ऐसे like ऐसा कोई इंसान कितना degenerate.
I don't like her content.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say that.
I don't like her content. मतलब ठीक है, I'll say उसका आवाज थोड़ा annoying है, but I wouldn't go and say that no, I'm going to criticize her, I'm going to roast her. No, she's creating because she's happy. Let her create.
Yeah, exactly. It's
not just that, वो meme बनाने में भी कितना ही low quality हो, थोड़ी मेहनत तो लगता है ना. You invested that time, you went on, you made your feed that way कि you're allowed to post all this.
But then again, the thing is, they are again pandering to the audience because the audience likes to see people getting criticized. अपना audience ही वैसा है. The people who follow the meme pages, they come to see these meme pages make fun of cringe creators. Okay, they come for that kind of content, so they get that kind of content. But yeah, my point is, I never knew who Sakshi was.
We don't like cringe content. TikTok पे वो होता था ना.
That's the thing, because these meme creators have nothing to lose. They are not getting paid for that. They are just doing it for fun.
Yeah.
And we know these creators who started out like them, but when they started getting brand collaborations, they filtered out their content. They are not as funny as they were then, but at least they are a better human, I feel. They're a better human now.
Right. Exactly. And dude, some of the meme pages even get paid to like promote certain pages and stuff. So don't think they don't get paid, but
if you know Terribly Dank.
But none of these companies are like
so
yes.
His content is not very criticizing someone, even if it criticizing someone in the most worst way possible. But yes, it's getting brand collaborations from Oyo and other hotel companies. And see, that's how that's
great. Holy shit, I did not know that.
It has its own Oyo coupon code, Dank Oyo, where you can get some.
My God, that's great. I did not expect that because none of the meme pages.
Even if you go like that, you can complete your point before I can move on to the next question.
So मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि none of these, like another page which I have started to dislike a little bit is Shit Indians Say, SIS.
I don't
like
that.
Yeah, it was good at a point.
It was good when it started out. It was very good when it started out because it was unique.
Exactly, and they just Gajodhar Singh Kool was one of the best things that happened to SIS. One of the best things, and then after they made a keyboard and they made the meme chat app where advertisement कैसा है मालूम? The meme chat has advertised literally as someone like वो Doge का meme वो लोगों ने use किया है, ठीक है? तो Doge का वो छोटा वाला meme है ना, वो ऐसा बड़ा रहता है एकदम muscular, एक छोटा वाला रहता है बेचारा. So the बेचारा वाला downloads the meme chat app, okay? He becomes muscular और उसके पीछे ऐसी लड़की आ जाती है. That's literally उनके feed में वो है.
Meme chat वाला app तो bro.
App, literally they're like memes बना पैसे कमाओ, and it's not easy. Like you make 100 memes.
Meme submit करने पे instant money.
अबे घंटा यार ऐसा नहीं है बहुत. I mean there's very little revenue in it. So,
That's how people actually advertise, I feel.
it's my God. Yeah, it's like after they became a proper corporation, the quality just tanked. So SIS, I'm sorry, you're doing things wrong. Please, like, go back to the good old days.
So now here's the thing, which I guess one of you actually put this out in your stories too. So the fact when people are now in this lockdown, I have seen that so much that people are creating a virtual or an entirely different personality online, which does not even represent themselves in real life.
My God.
They are completely.
I think Dada, not me.
I don't know. I guess
My God. मैं डाला था
from their true self, I have observed people who are like, I know from college, or I know from just an internet acquaintance maybe. So how do you think it affects their relationships with in real the virtual personalities? So I actually can start answering. I'll cut it off.
My God. So the thing is, when I put out the tweet, right, I meant a very specific person. I'll tell you, I can't tell you who I mean, but I'll tell you why I said that again. When they went viral, they got a ton of followers. Okay? They got a ton of followers. And they were like, okay, now I'm going to have to tweet like the most generic, uncreative person on Twitter. And now they just tweet what everybody else is tweeting. That's literally the personality. And like if you meet them in real life, it's not even 10% of that. Like they have close to zero personality. Like, and it's my God. And they have a second. तुम लोग अटके हो क्या? नहीं ना?
नहीं.
They have a certain kind of personality.
like, क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
They have a certain kind of personality, but it's the most.
It just doesn't match with.
It does not match with what they say on Twitter or on Instagram. Like they act like the most Chad alpha on Twitter, and then in real life they're like, oh no, I'm just here in the background. It's just that it's very polarizing.
It's not about they are in the background. It's just that they're completely different.
Yeah, not in the background. It's not what they are on Twitter. That's what I'm saying. Because on Twitter, if you see them, they're just like, oh, I'm this very responsible woke person, and I'm very smart, and I'm saying all these things because I know a lot of stuff, and I have figured it out in my life, and I'm alpha, and I'm just like, I'm a very dominating person. On Twitter, they are very dominating, but in real life, they're not very dominating, I would say.
And see, this affects a lot.
उसका just background color change हो गया.
अरे लाइट शुरू कर दिया भाई.
मैं क्या?
Magic.
Electrotone, are you all right?
So here's the thing about that. It affects a lot of their relationships in real life when this lockdown is going to end. Actually,
yes.
How you're gonna come in front of us someday.
It already has. It already.
And okay, God. People like me, if I'm close to them, I say a lot of edgy stuff. Okay, in person at least. Like I'll make fun of stuff that I don't think I should have. But then people have known me कि मेरा personality वैसा है, so they just avoid that topic entirely with me. And I'm gonna bring that up as soon as I meet them the next time. Oh, is it?
Norm thing which is going on actually.
It's a direct effect of what these social.
My God, it's.
Yes, you want to be accepted. To be accepted, normally you just have to be accepted by 20 people. So it's quite easy to be you. But when you have to be accepted by 1,000 people, how do you do that?
Yeah, it's very difficult. Yeah,
it's
you can't do that. You can't do
okay,
that.
if you see it Venn diagram के हिसाब से ही, it's अगर 20 circles है, तो उनका intersection would be a large part. Yes. Because different people have, but still it's large. But 1,000 people का अगर तो Venn diagram का circles बनाएगा, the intersection would be so small.
Very small, yes. And then these people try to cater to that small part rather than being themselves. So yeah,
but then exactly
being themselves is what brought the followers, right?
Yeah. See, just if you think on Twitter, like now if there is something going on like a trend, Now we know what the nation is going through right now. It's a very disturbing
Yes.
thing. But
Yes.
just just scrap it off. Just go to a few months later when there is like nothing going on. People are putting very generic stuff in a paraphrased format. So if Atik has said something, others will just paraphrase it in a different way, add some more emoticons or make it a thread, and just post it off. So it's the same type of content.
That's basically Twitter. Yeah, that's
That's
basically
basically
Twitter.
Twitter. And it's very hurtful to see. Like it's very hurtful to see. And that what makes me like I don't want to tweet. I just don't want to use Twitter. I just use that's why I've unfollowed a lot of people, but Twitter's algorithm is like
Same.
it will just show you everything.
Twitter's algorithm is one of the bad algorithms. Bad
It will
social
show
media
you
algorithms
everything.
that I
It will show
use.
you everything. Like just
It shows you
someone's
what
tweet.
other people are liking, which no other social platform does. Instagram doesn't do that.
It is nice if you follow the right people, because I follow 40 people whom जो बहुत ही है, and I've muted the right people. Even कुछ लोगों को follow करना पड़ता है out of obligation. So I mute them. या फिर what I do is there is this one person who just retweets everything. भाई उसका timeline has become my timeline because वो retweet करता रहता है. Just go to that arrow and just retweets. I hide retweets this person का, and after 2-3 times वो छुपा देता है. So you just have to kind of train. It is more work than Instagram. It's active, not passive like Instagram. Instagram, if you don't like, then you stop seeing.
More like rather than algorithm controlling you, you should find a way to control the algorithm.
You should control the
algorithm. One of the ways.
One thing Social Dilemma says it aloud that humans have made the algorithm, so you are a superior being. So don't let it overcome you.
True.
That's because you want to create a personality on social media. So now,
absolutely.
The next topic is kind of completely off theme for this podcast, but this is something actually everyone should know. It's about fake news. And this one sentence I want to quote from Social Dilemma is fake news spreads 3 times faster than true news.
6 times faster. 6 times
faster. 6 times faster than
six times,
true news. So you never know what is fake and what is the truth. You would never know. So here's the thing. Now WhatsApp and Facebook are some of the prime examples of fake news because we know Facebook sucks. We know Facebook sucks like tremendously. But people like our parents, they don't want Instagram. They want Facebook. But they have been using it for so long. So we have seen these things emerge out of them much faster. And now, not just for these young generation, I have been asking questions for, but what should be the next step if you encounter a piece of information? Okay, so what should be the next step?
You just throw it out.
What?
What did you do with
it? And he just took it.
So the question is, if you encounter a piece of fake news, if not fake news, you have encountered a piece of shady news which you don't know of, what do you think a person should go forward with before actually sharing?
It's not just shady. If you get any news before spreading it forward, please just Google it once. Like title low, headline low, or Google kar do and just
literally.
And
that's all I do.
Read
that's what I do.
Thing.
And
just
if
read whatever it is.
And if it's something that this is not applicable to us because we don't have a huge online personality per se, but for someone who has a huge online personality, which actually like the chain reaction would be 1 to 10,000. For those people, not just Googling is enough. You should see how the credibility of that source too.
Credibility of the source, right?
Exactly.
Because I'll tell you what happened a few days back. There was this one guy on Twitter. This happened after the RCB match versus Punjab. So one guy tweeted out. So Sunil Gavaskar said one thing that the original comment was that people इनको अकेला भी नहीं छोड़ते even though they are playing in their own house. इनको तब भी अकेला नहीं छोड़ते when Virat and Anushka were playing in their own house. So this
they were
guy
practicing in their own house.
This guy tweeted the exactly opposite thing कि अपनी वाइफ के साथ प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो ऐसा ही खेलेगा ना मैच में.
हाँ,
And-
yeah.
that is the news that reached me अपने wife के साथ.
Yes.
That is what I heard. तो
Yes.
मेरे तक आने तक वो चेंज हो गया था सब.
Yeah, exactly.
He didn't even say anything. He didn't even say anything like 1% of that tweet, and this just went viral.
हाँ भाई, and Anushka Sharma reacted to it.
Yes,
like,
because it reached to a point.
Steve had a full हाँ वही कि
it
it
reached
was
to a
कि
point which
leave me
affects
alone
their-
out of cricket.
Yes, that's right.
And-
That's right.
Here's the thing. So if you have a fan base, if you have not even just 10,000 followers, you have around 1,000 followers, you are responsible for them if you are spreading fake news. So just Googling that, just go a few steps further. See how credible that
Yeah,
source is. Are
exactly.
news channels also catering to that? Because
अरे
if you are the starting point of a very toxic chain reaction,
हाँ.
today's
My God.
generation will
and
be
मैं ये बता रहा हूँ ये this is just a general good point. Traditional media fact check करता ही नहीं आजकल. For
नहीं
some
करता है
reason, क्या
भाई.
हो गया
My
इनको पता.
God, it's the worst. It's
Yes,
the
yes.
absolute worst.
Traditional media का problem ये है ना, they have it's just like internship वाला चीज. They know who to target and जो smart enough है, they just skip those people.
Yeah. They
तो
just,
भाई
it's just that
traditional media
they
तो
are,
बात ही. And traditional media में ये है ना, there is no feedback loop. इधर
Exactly.
Instagram पे
There's
post
no
करके at least the
feedback.
comments will tell you कि ये fake है. Traditional media में it's broadcasted on national fucking television.
absolutely. And the thing
And-
is, it's,
Yes. Yes.
you can't trust any news channels these days. Like, people know, I think most people who watch this podcast are smart enough to know which to trust
हाँ
and
भाई.
which to not. If you do not,
Actually,
just
like-
go make one Google. What news channels can I trust? Google will tell you most probably the right channel. But because right now the news channels are not giving us news. They're just giving us things that we will like. They're
Bullshit.
just giving us gossip. They've gone from being neutral and factual to who will break this news first, who will get the most views, who will get the most TRPs. It's like YouTube, but
ये
on
वही
TV.
वाला ना,
That's
when
what
the
it's come
measure
down to
becomes
right
a
now.
metric,
Yeah.
when the measure
हाँ,
becomes a metric,
exactly.
it is
That's
not a
right.
good measure. That is what
My
has
God.
happened with their
What a
And-
callback. What a
And
callback.
I read a quote somewhere that if you don't watch the news, you're uninformed. And if you watch the news these days, you're misinformed.
You're misinformed. हाँ.
Right. Holy shit.
But कभी-कभी uninformed is better than misinformed. मेरे को तो वही लगता
Yeah,
है. Like I
definitely.
don't know the
Because
statistics of
if
this.
you have
but
half knowledge of
Right.
something, it is a way worse than having no knowledge.
no
Because
knowledge.
you
that's
At least
actually-
you know
Actually,
nothing.
a thing.
At
That's
least you can, if you have half knowledge, you can fall into a deeper pit than you have no knowledge. Because you,
Swear.
in the first place, you won't even jump in that pit.
Boy, my God. So yeah, the point, that was the thing with fake news. I'll give you an example. You remember Advait, we were recording, I think, one of the episodes for Anjanet podcast, and when the recording got
हाँ.
over, my God.
As soon as
The
you
recording-
तभी I think 1 minute ago आया था कि सुशांत सिंह का suicide was revealed to
Yeah.
news channels,
Yeah.
and I think didn't believe it.
Yeah.
He just took his phone and वो अगला 5 मिनट बस googling किया कितना
I
true
also
है.
did that because
And उसके बाद ही I think
when it came on, my mom just came, like bashing into it. I was playing Valorant, and like bashing into it, like, did you hear? Did you hear? And like, wait, I am first googling it. I need to see if it's true or not. And
Right.
when I found out it was true, I like called a bunch of my friends, and then after that, that truth actually amplified to such level of toxicity when people were just, putting with their opinions, and then opinions become facts. And then news channels
भाई.
are putting those opinionated facts, and then it
and
just
how do
becomes.
you
My
trust
God.
news channels with that track record? These are the guys who reported हमारे 2000 के नोट में चिप आने वाला है.
Man, holy shit, too good. That was too good. I believe that for a second. The chip thing. My
अरे
God.
तभी it was like couple of years back and तभी इतना clear नहीं था जितना अभी clear है. And I'm like, come on, इतना बड़ा organization है, they fucking made animations to it and green screen के ऊपर किया हुआ है. तो अगर कोई एक person, अरे production team होता है बे, इनके पास 40 लोगों का, किसी ने नहीं सोचा कि कोई
they
check
have
करे.
writers of what to speak, what to avoid, and no one thought.
Because-
No one
Every
thought
word
how-
is thought before.
Yes, and no one thought that this is
Yeah,
ये कुछ
yeah.
ज़्यादा हो रहा है. This is very much fictional because a
Oh my
common man is
God.
looking to use this note.
And वो भी है all these terms की maybe, allegedly, ये सब
Yeah.
public has become immune to it. They just remove those words and take the fact as it is.
Yeah, exactly.
It
It's
has
bonkers. So
become,
yeah, that's
you don't know what to believe these days. Like you don't know what's true, what's
Like accountability नहीं है news channels के पास.
Yes, actually.
true.
You report
True.
a fake news, you
Accountability
just
नहीं
say
है.
sorry. I don't even know if they say sorry after it. कि ये
They
fake था.
don't. They don't.
don't,
No,
they just skip.
no. They never have.
Because
They
what
never
happens,
have.
I'll
They
tell
never
you what
have. They just
happens is,
forget it. It's like it
what
never
happens
happened.
is, let's say there's two incidents. The second incident is like consecutively after the first incident. If they report fake news about the first incident, they just start with the second incident and they just don't respond to the first one.
Hmm.
Why? Because then they have
वही,
new
हाँ.
things to go after.
ये इसके साथ भी हुआ था. There was this news article. I think कोई bigger the New York Times ऐसा कुछ था. This is way bigger than what we have here. And some writer had written an article on influencer marketing. I hope सबको पता है influencer marketing क्या है. And he wrote कि वो पूरा एक hoax है कि there is no actual click-through rate, बस views ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं and it's not working at all and these guys are having fake bots and ये. And people got actually super duper mad at it because you are targeting people who जिनका platform, it's just like it came on Twitter and stuff, and then Twitter is just ये लोग influencer marketing a platform, right? And
Yeah.
it got so big कि the New York Times had to do something. I just blur the news का नाम. Just this newspaper organization. I don't know if it's correct or not. New York Times था कि नहीं. But what they have is a separate opinion wala section. Opinion. Yeah. So they just moved it from fact to opinion.
Smart. Yeah, that's what they do.
So
because they're accountable, na. They have a sense of responsibility towards
it
the
is
reader.
still bad, right? It is still bad. You should have done that before posting the article.
And
that is what
even if you had
wait. That was an error.
Even if you moved it to opinion, you owe an apology or owe an explanation to the people.
हाँ wait, there was no ये कि
Yes,
sorry we
yes.
are moving this. It was just silently moved to opinion ताकि आगे से कुछ ना हो.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's
Right.
one thing,
So that's
the
what
audience should
I
take
don't
from
know.
this. See, when you encounter any type of news, Google it once, Google it twice, dig deeper,
Yeah.
invest like 10 minutes at least, and then share it forward.
It doesn't take that long. 5-10 minute लगता है.
Doesn't. Exactly.
Google
Do not.
8 seconds में तुम लोग को trillions of results दे रहा है. Just make use of that. Like in
the best. I think the best way to consume by newspapers. Our cycle, the news gets properly confirmed and stuff over a period of time, and then it gets printed. Right. Do not repost people who write long paragraphs about a certain news 3 hours after it comes out. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. Okay? Don't do it. Most of the time they are ill-informed or less informed, and their opinions are half-baked opinions. So just don't push any controversial news within 12 hours of it coming out.
Yes,
That's what I believe in.
You never know what kind of negative chain reaction you can start.
Exactly, dude. The people really need to be responsible with how they use social media. We've emphasized this so much on the Unengineered podcast, and we will continue to do so.
Exactly.
People are like, oh, मेरे को सिर्फ 200 लोग देख रहे हैं. ये लोग क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मैं कुछ भी डालूं नहीं फर्क.
Those are still a lot of people, man. Multiply 200 by 200
can fill an auditorium.
40,000, right?
Goes to 200. It is
Exactly.
More than exponential. Exponential
it's
graph.
Worse than domino effect. It's worse than domino effect. You realize that, right?
Right. It's like one domino, 200. It's like that.
Exactly.
It's crazy. So that's what I'm saying. Please be responsible with what you tweet, with what you share, because it may affect a lot of people. Like I have avoided all news recently about the whole uproar going on throughout the nation because it's too much to process. First of all, it's too much to process. Second of all, there are better people who do it much better than me, who have the time to research and put out facts in a very better manner than me. 3, I just I just shared what I could stand for. So I just shared Mihir ka wo story, that's all. Because those are the things that I could stand for. Rest, I don't know what's going on. So I just avoid all that. Because I don't want to look stupid. I look stupid, chale. I don't want to spread something that I cannot reverse it. I can't take back stuff once someone has shared it.
Social
right?
media is so
Yes.
anything on the internet is irreversible.
So
Yeah.
once the damage
Anything
is
you
done,
do
you can't actually, if you have caused someone to fall into a deep pit, you can't actually just take that stuff
हाँ,
back.
even if अगर
हाँ,
अगर
वही।
मैंने कोई फेक न्यूज फैला दी, अगर वो 1000 लोग तक पहुंच गया, even if I say कि sorry guys that was fake, मैं वापस शेयर नहीं करूंगा, it
वो
has already
कितना लोगों तक
affected
जाने वाला है
thousands.
बे?
कितना लोग तक
और
पहुंच
वो
गया
छोड़,
already,
वो
damage is
apology भी
done.
कितना लोग तक जाएगा? If there is a
वही,
viral
exactly.
news, it will go to more people. If it's just an apology, it won't go to a lot of people.
True. आधे लोग को भी नहीं जाएगा वो. Just be responsible with what you share and what you spread. That's how you tackle fake news.